Okay, I will give the prompt create a hot air balloon. And that is created for us and it is with the textures. Now we'll give another prompt that is create a cute looking cartoon giraffe. That is also created and also with the textures. Now we'll give the prompt that put the giraffe inside the hot air balloon. Okay, it follows nicely. Now the next prompt is give the kite in the hand of giraffe. Okay, that's it. Now the last one is create a cartoon shaped cloud background. Okay, that's it. Now look at the camera. Looks cool and the animation is done. The only problem is that could be our desire to work like that or the video is from the future. On a current date, you will have to create these kind of stuff manually. So I'm giving you one course that will help you to create these kind of stuff from the scratch. That course is specially designed for the beginners. Even if you never used a Blender before, at the end of the course, you will have ability and the concept of creating these kind of models. Plus, I am giving free coupons for the course for 100 students.